All right, let's do this. I'm going to cover trailing entry orders and trailing exit orders in this video. What you see right here on the screens is on the left, my enhanced chart trader, and on the right is the standard NinjaTrader Chart Trader. So what do we mean by trailing orders? Well, a trailing entry order could be any order that's going to get you into the trade, such as a buy limit, a buy stop. If you're selling, you could do sell stop limit, sell limit, all types of orders, right? What we can do is we can attach them to indicator plots, such as a 20 EMA, maybe a Bollinger Band, maybe a parabolic SAR, right? So that's what we're going to look at. Also, trailing stops. A lot of you guys use trailing stops. So once you're in a trade, your trailing stop loss will move up and protect your profits. I'm going to show you all of these types of orders and some software I built on the NinjaTrader platform to make this super easy for you guys. All right, before we get into it, I want to give you guys some updates. If you're new to my channel, I'm going to be doing these videos weekly. I'm also going to be providing some updates on my own trading plan, my software company, things that are happening. And this week, I just want to make sure you guys know about my new Discord community. This is a game changer. I believe it's going to be incredible for my customers to have a place to connect. And so in here, you can collaborate on trade setups. You can collaborate on trading plans. We can talk about potentially new features that you guys would like to see added to the software products and just general chat about trading futures. And so I hope you'll join that community now. And as an incentive, I'm going to include a discount code in the Discord community just for those of you that join or visit the Discord. So check out the Discord community now and make sure you're in on that. You're going to want to be a part of it. To attach an order to indicator plots, I've made this really easy in the basic chart trader tools. All you're going to do is click here on the buy or sell click button, move your mouse, and as you do that, you can hover over plots. You see here I'm hovered over the 20 EMA and it highlights up here the 200 EMA. As I click, the order is placed and immediately attached to the plot. And what does that mean? It becomes a trailing entry order, right? This order is going to trail until it is hit and filled with the 200 EMA. So pretty cool there, first of all. I'll cancel this order. Another example, if I wanted to take a buy stop when it breaks above this plot, for instance, I'll click on this plot. Now I've got a buy stop. I can also adjust the offset. So I can click this button right here, and it's going to adjust the offset up. So you'll see it adjusting right there as I click it again. You can continue to adjust it. You can also set the default offset. So now it's probably around 6 ticks above the plot and attached to the plot. So as that plot moves, again, the buy stop order is going to move. Let's compare that to the standard NinjaTrader Chart Trader. To attach an order there, you would place the order by right-clicking. Now you're going to right-click on the order itself and go through this long menu system. This window opens. You got to go through all these plots, and depending on which indicators you have, you could have a ton of plots as you see here to scroll through. And I'll select the EMA 200. You can see it's selected. I'll hit OK, and now it's attached. So you guys see I made this much more simple here in this chart trader where I literally can just hit sell and click on the plot. So again, the enhanced chart trader is one main indicator with several different options available for purchase. This particular product is called price-based entry orders. Now we're going to get a little bit more advanced. What this does is allows you to place an order at an indicator plot with one click. So I've set this up to place an order at the 20 EMA. As soon as I click this button, immediately the order is placed and attached at the 20 EMA. And it's going to work at the 20 EMA until it is filled, or we can click this button to cancel the order. So here we can see it's filled, and we get our target and our stop based on the ATM strategy. We can quickly change which plot this button is linked to by just right-clicking on the plot. Now it's reset. If we click again, it's going to give us instructions to select the plot. So for example, we could choose 50 EMA. Now the button's configured, as you can see the preview, to work on the 50 EMA. Right click it again, reset, click again. You can select 20. Now you can see it's previewing orders to be placed at the 20 EMA. I always have ideas of how I want to improve things. And again, as I'm able to build a company and build a team, I'm going to have more time to write code. But what I want to do here is have a drop down where you can quickly change plots, maybe even have multiple buttons as customers have requested, where you can set up maybe a set of 4 buttons where now you can have a button for 4 different plots that you frequently trade. So just a few ideas, but just the fact that right now you have a button that with a single click, you can place an order and have it attached and trailing on a plot of your choice. I think that's incredible, and I think it's going to be valuable for a lot of you. And lastly, I'm going to show you guys some trailing stop loss orders. This here now is the Advanced Exit Orders Management module for the Enhanced Chart Trader. It's focused around managing exit orders and adding capability to the ATM strategy. So specifically here, we can create unlimited number of custom trailing stops. Look at this drop down. I've created 20 EMA, a 5-minute 20 EMA, a 200 EMA. And again, you guys might use a parabolic SAR. You guys might use Super Trend, Bollinger Band. It doesn't matter. Whatever plots you use, you can create custom trailing stops right here in the Enhanced Chart Trader. So now I'll take a trade. I'm going to set this to the 20 EMA and just sell market. And the trailing stop's off, but right here, if I turn it on, immediately the order snaps to the 20 EMA. And I can even change this drop down in the middle of the trade. All right, so as I select 200 EMA, there you go. It immediately moves to the 200 EMA. Or as I select 5-minute 20 EMA, there you go. It immediately moves to that plot. So the point is, you can change in the middle of the trade, you can change which plot's selected and update your trailing stop. You can also at any time turn the trailing stop off so that you can take over and manage the stop loss yourself. So this is going to be a powerful feature. Again, when we talk about trailing stop orders or trailing orders, we can trail entry orders, right? Trail when we're getting into the trade. We can trail exit orders, specifically stop loss orders. You guys can also trail target orders. You can grab a target order and attach it to a plot if you want to do that, just using the standard functionality of attaching orders to plots. So the possibilities here are endless, and I've tried to make this super easy for you guys. An all-encompassing solution, really, to being able to attach pending orders, any pending order, to any indicator plot in the chart window. So it's time to land the plane. And as we do that, I'm going to ask you guys right now to leave a comment. I know you've got some thoughts about the video. You made it all the way through. So let me know, what do you think? Would you like to see a new feature included? Do you think there's a way that this could be improved? Anything. I want to hear from you. Also, make sure to like the video. It's going to help me out. Subscribe so you get updates when I release videos in the future. And like I said, looking forward, so much to be excited about. I'm going to keep updating you guys, but specifically now it's the Discord community. I hope you guys will get in on this. This is the place where my customers can collaborate on trading ideas, trading plans, and it's also a place where even if you're not a customer, you can come in and check out some of the work that I've been doing, some of the latest things people are saying about my software, things like that. So stay tuned, lots to look forward to, and hopefully as I get freed up, I'm going to be able to just literally write code and trade futures. That's going to be fun. So that's kind of what I'm working toward. But man, grateful for you, grateful that you would watch this video, and I'll see you in the comments. Thanks, you guys.